Hi friend, today I am going to discuss about measurement event B1 and B2. B1 and B2 is used for the inter-rate, but B1 is used for a lower rate to the higher rate. Suppose you be in 4G and want to camp on 5G, that time B1 event will used. Then when B1 event will trigger, that time we will send measurement report on the basis of B1 event will trigger, then UV camp on 5G. So here yeah, definition is trigger when B1 event trigger never inter-system cell becomes the better than the threshold. Suppose here I taken a snap from the RRC reconfiguration. During this snap is taken during UV camping on 4G to 5G. So that time B1 event. So here threshold is minus 110 dB. So if UV wants to camp on 5G, so you need to better than minus 110 dBm coverage. So then after that when UV send measurement report, then network will decide if we better than 110, that time network will trigger a B1 event for camp on 5G. So if we getting you any types of issue camp on 5G from 4G, so you can check here threshold of B1 event, and what is the history says time to trigger. So what their value parameter is defined for the B1 event, we need to check. So here threshold, so if we meet, then you will trigger and retain in red color. If we meet that color, that time network will send B1 event cancel message. So I think B1 event is you clear. So I want to move on B2. So this is B2 event. So B2 event is trigger when UV wants to move from the higher rate to the lower rate. That time two threshold is defined. So here we can see event B2 is trigger when serving cell becomes worse than threshold A1, while neighboring intercell becomes better than threshold 2. There is two threshold defined. So both threshold is meet, then B1 event will trigger. This event B1 B2 event is used during the irate handover from the suppose in a SA 5G SA mode. So if we move from 5G to 4G, so that time B2 event will use when this both written in green color, this criteria will meet, then your handover will happen. So this, if you getting any yeah irate related issue, so we need to check B2 event what parameter define. So we need to go and check what parameter, suppose time to trigger, yeah, threshold B1 and B2 what are defined, and so and you can change and you can got solutions. It may be possible due to other issue also, but we need to check B2 event parameter also. Thank you very much.